Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of aeroponic hydroponic gardening systems with the Tower Garden. If you're looking for a cool and innovative way to grow your own fresh produce at home, then you're in the right place. Our food quality is decreasing just as our environmental toxins are increasing. The cost of food is affected by droughts, flooding, freezing. Aeroponic and hydroponic systems are a great option for those who want to see their plants thrive but are short on space and green thumbs. With these systems, the plant roots are suspended in the air and misted with a nutrient-rich solution, allowing for maximum oxygen exposure and water efficiency. Not only are aeroponic hydroponic systems space-saving and environmentally friendly, but they are clinically proven to produce healthier and more vibrant plants. The Tower Garden can reduce the price of food by eliminating shipping and storage and reduce water. So if you're ready to take your gardening to the next level, give aeroponic hydroponic systems a try. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to set up your own system at home. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.